One way to limit interruptions from unwanted phone calls and notifications is by putting the device in Do Not Disturb mode. As the name implies, the Do Not Disturb feature works by muting calls, alerts, and notifications immediately, at scheduled intervals or until the feature is turned off. In this video, we will show you how to set up and manage Do Not Disturb settings on your Galaxy S21. For this tutorial, we will be using the Galaxy S21 that's already running Android 12 with One UI 4.0. To begin, open the Settings app by tapping on the Settings icon from the Home or Apps screen. While on the Settings menu, find and then tap Notifications. Scroll down to view more options and then tap Do Not Disturb to proceed. On the succeeding menu, toggle to turn on the Do Not Disturb switch. Doing so will immediately put the device in Do Not Disturb mode and thereby mutes all notification alerts for incoming calls and messages until the feature is disabled. To specify how long you'd like your phone to stay in DND mode, simply tap for how long and then select any from the available durations. DND settings can also be customized according to every user's preferences. That said, you can set your device to automatically switch to DND mode for a certain period of time. Feel free to explore more DND options in your phone to maximize its use. We hope that this guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notifications. Thanks for watching.